Frame with people lo-fi in fluorescent purple.
What are the bars?
Anti-Zenta Forks. United Recruit. No, United something from Wheel.
Supreme.
2012.
Oh.
Duo Stunner tyres. Sunday Freeze top load stem. Was chrome, but then it rained.
Yo.
Blank select bars.
Yo.
Vans grips.
Oh. Cult times Vans.
Cult. So there's some weird people see.
My odd seat.
I don't know what it is. E-clap fucking pedals.
Gay.
Premium Garrett Reynolds signature cranks.
Bullshit.
Off the Garrett Reynolds signature bike, remember?
Yeah, but they're stock, they're shit.
Premium cranks. Anti-calamity fat wheel. And frames, a salt frame. I mean, fucking chains. I should say road ages.
What's your sprocket?
What's that?
Eco something.
Unlimited.
Some environmentally
That's your bottom bracket.
Anyway, duo mud tyres.
Give me a hub sound, give me a hub sound.
Hub sound.
Would you like a little intro bit?
Like.
Got quieter. What are you doing?